Say good morning to YouTube.
What's up, YouTube? God damn, I'm tired.
Me too. So, Import Alliance has been set up much differently than it has in past years. Have you ever been to Import Alliance before?
No, this is my first Import Alliance.
Okay, so you wouldn't know, but like, bro, normally it's like a free-for-all getting in there.
I see, it was a free-for-all earlier this morning.
This is nothing compared, this is way more organized than it normally is. What they had us do this year is basically everybody who's going infield, they have an infield, parking, and general admission. General admission people park out there in the dirt, basically. And infield people come in here and line up in different lanes like normal, but just way more organized. So you have to go through the dirt parking lot, get your wristband for the infield, then come in here and they line us up, and that's the lane you have to stay in. So that way it's way more organized and they can get more people in and make more money and don't have to stuff the actual stadium to the T. So it's way more organized like that. But yeah, we've been out here for a good minute now. Yeah. I think we still got, what time is it?
8:11.
Still got a minute before we can go in. See, those are general admission, if it'll focus. Those are general admission people over there. And all the people parked over here are going into the infield. So, only downside to that is like people with low behind cars got to drive over like dirt and gravel, uneven dirt and gravel.
Get screwed.
I saw one dude get like screwed pretty bad because he was low. But other than that, it's been a pretty good, not as much of a free-for-all as it normally is.
Man, this morning, this is my first show, so this morning looked like hell on water. It was like everybody was cutting, everybody was just getting in where they could fit in.
It's not nearly as bad
and like
as it
Q,
is.
shout out to Q. Q is still like maybe an hour or so in the back of that line. So,
well, poo on him, because I got in here pretty quick and they got here way before me.
Yeah,
what time did y'all get here?
I got here like at 5:30 and my truck is still out there, so I said fuck it.
I got here like 7 and I'm already up here, so gang gang.
Snake.
Gang gang.
Snake.
Finally, 3 hours later, we're finally about to pull in. About daggone time. We're about to go through the infamous Import Alliance entrance tunnel where everybody just basically lights it up. It's pretty crazy. It's a good thing about driving an automatic truck. Like I can like vlog and drive at the same time. Even though I really shouldn't do that, I don't care.
So we finally made it. We're finally going inside now. The infamous Import Alliance tunnel, as my boy Chandler would ask where to put it.
Yeah. Here we go. Oh my God. Yo, Oliver, if you're watching this, I'm looking at you right now, and that light bar is crazy. Wow. You should have been in Showcase, bro. Where's he at? I can't see him. There he is. Now, this right here. This is nasty. I like this a lot. This is probably my favorite car I've seen so far. I'm not normally a fan of G35s, but it's got like the arrow on it. It has a 2J. And it's wide body. I'm pretty sure this is Panda Arrow, or the rear definitely is. And engine bay has been, what do they call that? Shaved. Sparko seats. I bet this thing flies too. Oh my God. Woo, buddy.
I've got underglow.
Yeah, that would be tight. Like, but you would have to hide it. Like, I wouldn't want to see it. If you hide it so well, oh, that'd be tight.
They love it. Look at the crowd around Adam's car. This is ridiculous for a clear hood. I gotta get a clear hood for the FRS. That's gonna be the move. I just gotta get like a turbo or something under there first.
Wouldn't that be sick?
Alright, so real quick. What's your top favorite 2.5 cars here?
Huh?
What's your favorite top 2.5 cars here?
That 2J swap G35.
Dang it, I was gonna say that one.
And that FD that just left. That black FD that just left. Those are my two favorites.
Sweet. Real quick, what's your favorite top 2.5 cars here?
The Porsche.
Okay, that's one. That thing is sick.
The other one?
Yeah, 2.5. You can say yourself.
He's how he looks. He's like, no.
No. There's a lot more respectable builds here than mine. I don't know. I'm trying to think like what I've seen today.
Yeah. Like, in my mind, this is the FD to end all FDs.
Yeah,
like, performance-wise, this is
look
it.
at this turbo.
Yeah, exactly.
Look at that.
This man is freaking out right now.
Bro.
Back in the gas can. Acid don't fuck with my cash can. Don't be afraid of this black man. Don't be afraid of my mask then. Came from the dark on my dad's skin. Giving my first to my last kin. Rubbing the lotion, ain't asking. Point that shit right at the cop. Yeah. Told you she love when it drop. Let's go. Told you she love when it fall. Counting the cutty, she say do them all. Yeah. Point that shit right at the cop.
Oh. Woo-wee. Let's get that AC going. I don't normally even like to use AC, but it's kind of warm today. So, oops. I'm back in the truck now. I'm getting ready to head on back. Actually, I'm gonna visit my grandmother because her house is on the way back from Atlanta, so I'm gonna stop out there and see her. But yeah, the import lines has been a blast. To be completely honest with you guys, yesterday, Friday, was actually even more fun than it was today. Seeing all the cars and everything was great, but hanging out with the homies and actually getting on the track to do like a photo shoot, you just kind of can't beat that. Nothing can beat that in my mind. Hanging out with friends and doing cool stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna head back home and I don't know, maybe I'll work on the car today or something. I have no idea, but I'll figure that out once I get home. So I'm back home at the home garage. Import Alliance was killer as usual. It was bigger than ever actually. I think that Import Alliance was lit. There's still a whole nother day tomorrow. I'm not going to that because I don't party that hard, but I will be back next year, and it's giving me more I guess inspiration to finish my build so I can be in showcase and hang out with buddies in showcase and stuff like that and actually have my car there. So I was looking back at footage, I realized I really didn't film that much, and I apologize for that. But you know, making vlogs and videos is cool and all, but hanging out with friends is way cooler than making videos sometimes. And I just want to hang out with people and enjoy my breath and enjoy my time there. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. Friday was awesome. I definitely filmed a lot then because I just couldn't help it. It was such an awesome day. Go back and watch that video if you haven't watched it. But yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys probably on the next episode of the rebuild series or something like that. We'll see. Peace out.